Hi guys, it's Dan, Crafty Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to come back and share something really fun with you. I was contacted by Craftsmith and they have the newest Hot Buy paper pads releasing for the holidays. You might have already seen them in your stores, and I just wanted to come on and share what they sent to me. So I cannot wait and unveil some of these new gorgeous paper pads. We have this one here first. This is the Peace and Joy. There's this one here, which is Peace on Earth, and then I have the Peppermint Stripe. And it says French. So I'll do a quick flip through of each paper pad, and this is the Peace and Joy, and you can see a lot of fun traditional colors. There's a lot of blacks in here, which I also really love. Really get some fun prints, and you do get 2 sheets of each. It's a nice little background page. There's some beautiful gold foiling. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas, and you can totally frame this. It's very cute with the little plaid backgrounds. This one is a holiday sentiments page. Same page, but in gold gold foil and on a green background. So pretty. Ooh, I love this one with the pine cones. This is a black and white stripe. You can kind of use this for Halloween too if you wanted to. Totally beautiful cut aparts. Honestly, I love all the cut aparts. They're great for card fronts or tags in general, and the gold foil just makes it so much fun. Here is a beautiful green and white. A fun little stocking scenery. This one's a very pretty page as well, with the ornaments, the gold foil pine cones, traditional red and black plaid. Let's see. Here's another fun cut apart. Again, perfect for card fronts. A beautiful wreath. Another black and white plaid. I love the use of plaid in this paper pad. This is a really fun page full of stockings. A fun green and white stripe. You got a little snowflake, and the snowflake is a kind of a blue, a dark blue. Pretty. All is calm and bright with the gold trimming around this page. Did I miss anything? Here we go. Ooh, this is pretty. It's like a red knitted background. You have this page here. Oh, perfect for a frameable picture. Farm fresh Christmas trees. I love this. So cute. And then let's see. And then we have this black and white plaid. Love this paper pad. And then the next stop, I have Peace on Earth. And here it is. Has like a, I'm not sure if it's Nordic, but it does have really pretty vibrant colors in this collection. Ooh, that is a gorgeous background sheet. This is another very pretty scene. I love kind of like the fading in the paper. Great little peppermint page. Ooh, look how fun this cut aparts are. So vibrant in color. This is another beautiful page. Here is kind of like a sugar cookie background. Love this. Ooh, I love the strips. And for you gnome lovers, yes, look at the little dancing gnomes. These are so fun. Just to cut the strips and then add them as an embellishment, I think this would make a great little accent piece. This beautiful snowflake page with the gold foiling. Lovely. Another great background wreath page. I'm not sure what you call these. I know they're some kind of animal. But it is a very pretty page. There's some birds on here as well, if you can see. I love the colors in this, so vibrant. Here's a nice little blue background with the hot cocoa. These poinsettia page, oh my god, it's so pretty. I love this page so much. You have a blue and gold stripe. You have this little background page here, so pretty. A lovely cut apart. I am a sucker for a cut apart. If there's gold foiling, even better. Gnomes are up to no good. Ooh, this is such a pretty page with all the gold foiling, with the stockings and the vibrant colors. You got a red background page. Another vibrant colored page. I have no idea what these guys are called, but the print is so pretty. Ooh, this is a beautiful rainbow stripe page. You have these angels. So fun. Let's see. Ooh, another border page. I love the strips of paper. They're so fun and poppy. Here is another cut apart. A red and white stripe page, and then a blue leaf background page. So fun. And then last up, this is a more of a traditional paper pad, and this is the Peppermint Stripe French. And here it is. There's some gold foiling in this as well. You have like a snowy white background. You have these deers. Here is this traditional red background, and you again use these for card fronts. You have a red and white plaid. Oh, this pretty gold snowflake background. This is a fun word sentiment page. I guess it's like a story. Very cute. You have a red dotted gold paper. This fun little background page. So fun. Little berry page. Red and white stripes. I'm loving the stripes. You have the red and white snowflakes. This gold paper is to die for. Little scribbly background page. Here is this red cut apart. Again, if you are a traditional lover, this paper pad is going to scream to you. Got all the plaids in here, which I think is kind of a must because you have the accent of green in it. Scribble page. Ooh, I love this. You can cut this apart. Fun little strips. Here is a fun with a kind of a candy blue. If you can kind of see that, or is it like a light gray stripe in between? This fun poinsettia page. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Another story background page. Ooh, this peppermint page. I love anything peppermints for Christmas. Here is a fun page for those advent calendar creators. Fun page just cut apart. Love this. And last but not least, you have this red and white plaid. Super fun. And I will leave links down below if you're interested. And thank you, Craftsmith, for reaching out to me. I hope you go to your local Michaels stores and snatch these paper pads. I think they're super fun. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.